Monica Magnusson, the CEO of Apotek Hjärtat, the leading pharmacy retailer in Sweden. And I'm also actually a pharmacist.
Hi, my name is Claes Pettersson. I'm head of the supply chain for Apotek Hjärtat. I've been working with Hjärtat since 2015.
My name is Peter Skerrin, and I have been working for Apotek Hjärtat 10 years. My current responsibilities are to support and develop technical solutions for Apotek Hjärtat's supply chain and the internal logistics.
Within Apotek Hjärtat's supply chain, we have the responsibility of moving all the products from our suppliers to make sure that we can meet the demands of our customer. We get the products from the suppliers into all our warehouses and then distribute them to the pharmacies.
The Swedish pharmacy retail in e-comm is highly competitive, and you need to be both swift and efficient at the same time. And also, of course, precise, since it's pharmacy we're talking about. We've recently piloted new types of automation in our e-comm warehouse in Norrköping, and this has enabled us to actually go forward towards a higher capacity.
From a strategic perspective, the goods-to-person technology has added a new capability that now is a part of our organization.
Goods-to-person system from GreyOrange is reducing the walking distance that each person has to do in the warehouse and the picking process, making it a lot better for the environment, for the people. And on the other hand as well, we also see higher picking quality and reducing the number of errors that you have in the normal process. We see that we are increasing the productivity in terms of picked order lines per hour. We are close to doubling that compared to the manual process that we're running besides the pilot.
Before the automation came and the robots came, we were doing it manually with a scanner, picking the items, going long walks to get the customers' orders ready. But now that we have the automation, it's much easier when we have the robots bringing the items to us and we are picking with the help of the lights. And we know that every customer is in the right place, and we pick the items with the help of the new technique that we have. So it's a very big improvement.
I would say that the manual mistakes has decreased. Like when you walked on a long walk and you've been walking for 8 hours, and then it might be that you picked the wrong box. But here you have the lights that says that, okay, this should be it. And then you have the light on where to pick it, so you can't really mess up there either. So I think that's the biggest improvement quality-wise. And we can also see obviously that for a picker compared to the manual picking is almost more than twice as efficient. So that's, I think, is the biggest difference that we see.
Before, every member of staff needed to take a lot of decisions every time where to put things or how to do it as efficient as possible. And now, since we started with the automation, there's a lot less decisions to take, and you get a lot more help from the system how to work in an efficient way.
The big difference is the ergonomic part. We have seen that the operators really likes the fact that they don't have to walk around in the warehouse anymore, that they can be standing on these platforms where we have also added some extra cushion to it. And we have also seen that GreyMatter focusing on putting high popular products in ergonomical fields into the MSU, like in regards to heights and depth. And I also think it's a very good system to get to know the inventory balance and get a really good view of our inventory. The AI helps us to keep picking and completing the right orders that needs to leave the house first. And it also helps us to monitoring and see how many PPSs we need to have open to staff regarding different times during the day, depending on how our order pool looks like.
The whole project with the automation really has involved various parts throughout Hjärtat, and as we always try to involve as much as we can, we decided to have a competition where everyone could name a robot if they wanted, and making suggestions to names out of a certain theme, and that theme was superheroes, very suitable.
The robots do improve our efficiency, and I think Flash is probably my favorite name for a robot. that helps us do things faster.
My favorite superhero bot would be either the mighty Thor or Pippi Longstocking, the world's strongest girl.
My personal favorite is a superhero called Pippi Longstrump, which is a girl that has super strength. And I think that symbolizes the robots very well. They lift quite large amount of weight and they deliver those MSU without any doubt.
Well, when you call for a superhero, they come to you and save you, right? So I see some kind of similarities when the robots is coming for us, the pickers, and we see the items come in. So that saved the days for us. At the beginning, we were all excited about learning a new way of picking the items, a new system. It was very exciting and we were intrigued. And then we got to learn the system, and overall the satisfaction was nice. The workers were very happy. At the end of the day, it makes everything easier, and we understand that and we are happy about it.
It's very easy to new employees to adapt and very easy to learn how the processes are working within the operations. So the productivity is really easy to keep up with. I also think that GreyOrange has been super kind, and it's been a really good relationship so far. We have been in a lot of meetings and we have set up a really good management structure.
By implementing a completely new technology in a business that is in full production, it means many challenges. With the help of a fantastic project team, great support from GreyOrange, together we have managed to find ways to technical and process solutions, which meant that we could even start the production a few days earlier than planned.
What we've experienced so far truly has been exceeding our expectations when it comes to collaboration. We feel that we have had a lot of attention, and the title Customer Success Management really applies to the collaboration that we've seen so far, which feels great.
One key element of working and choosing to work with GreyOrange was also their software, GreyMatter. We believe that that's a very good, solid platform to work with. First of all, it's very intelligent, working with the AI, improving and optimizing the processes, but also being open for us to use other technology in terms of automation. If we believe that we have another fit with another suppliers, we can still use GreyMatter as the platform to continue to work with and expand our business. Another part of GreyMatter, which we feel that will be interesting for us in the future, is the possibility of doing the order orchestration, where we believe that using our pharmacies as part of nodes in our supply chain and using GreyMatter to distribute the demand all over the supply chain into the different nodes is also very interesting for us to explore and work more with down the road.
When choosing who to partner with, there were a few things that were really important to us. One, of course, was the scalability, because how fast the e-com market would grow, that was still uncertain. So scalability was one thing we were looking for. Another one was innovation. We wanted someone to inspire us. And thirdly, we wanted a good collaboration, someone who really wanted us to succeed. And we feel that we've found that partner.